Good afternoon to one and all. Today we all have gathered here for public speaking and my topic name is rainy season. So first of all, what is mean by rainy season? Rainy season is also known as monsoon all over the world. It is a distinct period where majority of the rainfall occurs. The rainy season is the hope of the farmers, fate of the believers, and the gift of the nature. When rainy season comes, each and every component of our nature starts to celebrate it. Where the peacock starts to dance, the forest, bushes, and lushes starts to shine like a green emerald. Not only that, the rainy season also impacting lot on our economy. As we know, the agriculture is the backbone of our India. But the rainy season is the calcium by which our backbone is made. When rainy season comes, which made down the water preserve. Because of that, we get the emergency, and in the hazards, we get the help of dust water to reduce down our rates. As well as the rainy season is the thing which is making down the sustainability in our biodiversity. When a drought comes, imagine a situation where a drought is coming, but at that time the rain is come. How wonderful the situation it is. But with these benefits, the rainy season are also bringing down the challenges in front of our human beings, like the floods, the over rain which is due down the floods, as well as the diseases like malaria, which is spread by the mosquitoes because of the stagnant water in the rainy season. But we human beings figure out the solution on these problems like the drainage system when the over excessive rain is occur. So with the help of this drainage system, we can decrease down the amount of the water around our surrounding and preserve it for the future. As well as we made down the such a powders by which the diseases like the malaria which are spread by the mosquitoes are decreased, and we preserve down the water for the future. In conclusion, I want to tell you the rainy season is the gift of the nature, but it is the responsibility of our human beings to preserve it. Thank you.